Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger guys, and if you need to find the fuse for the horn because your horn does not work, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, we'll have a special video that will explain the top reasons why horn does not work on Dodge Challenger. Why horn does not work on Dodge Challenger. Check out on our channel if you need help with that. We'll explain why it's super important guys to test the fuse, not to just assume it's good or bad. Okay, it's super important to test it so we can eliminate that possibility that's causing your problem 100%. Otherwise you may think it's a good fuse but it's bad, and you may end up guys quite a bit of time and money to spend on a problem that you could have just fixed by testing the fuse. So stay with us and we'll explain about that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So specifically we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger here. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, and right here guys, this is, you can see the hood box, right? This is your fuse box under the hood. You have practically two notches here that hold it in place, so what you need to do, squish towards each other, pull out. When you flip it on the side, let me see if I can get it somehow to have a little bit of less glare. If you look right here, that fuse number 11 guys, that fuse number 11 is a 20 amp fuse. Okay, that fuse right here, okay, that's let me see if we can come so you can see it's the third one, little one. That fuse is the one for the horn. Why it's super important to test them? Because if you think it's a good fuse by looking at it guys, but it's not, what can easily happen guys, you can spend time and money to fix the problem when all you had to do test the fuse. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in just a few seconds, and you will be able to find out if they're good or bad. Check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. If you need to buy cheap fuses for a good price, check out the link as well, and you can see where we get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.